Welcome back, all the new subscribers. Hello, all of my OGs. I see you. Moving forward, I just want to make room, not for people or for things, but just my creativity. And I'm trying to get my shit together, like keeping my room clean, keeping my room how I want it to be, lighting candles, setting the ambiance, doing self-care, doing my thing, and just really allowing energy to flow through my space and getting organized. Because this is reality for me. I know, it's like, a vlog, but I really try to let people see what it looks like from a candid place, and to transmute energy and to change and to shift and to evolve and to allow myself to have failures and have moments of defeat, and show you guys this is what it looks like to transition and to continue forward and to move forward even when I do not feel like it. Like finding energy, right? And also finding time to rest.
That'll keep me moving on.
What are you gonna order?
A 20-piece chicken nugget and a Coke.
Hey.
Hello. So I'm getting Bianca from school right now. I actually didn't go into work because I have a little cold. It's like a sinus thing. And I just feel like my head is being squeezed, that sinus pressure. Not fun. So yeah, I'm gonna pick her from school. She fell off of her bike yesterday riding it home and sprained her arm. We went to the ER. I thought it was broke because it did not look good, and thank goodness it was just a sprain. I cleaned out my fridge. I got a few things done around the house. I forced myself. I really just wanted to lay down because, again, this sinus pressure is just kicking my ass. But I just wanted to check in and say hi. Yeah. Also, my allergies are kicking my butt as well. So that is my life right now.
Another wake-up call or something that'll keep me moving on. Moving
I've got time on my hands, but you've got so many plans. I need something from you. Tell me, what can I do?
With everything that's been going on, it's been important to me to bring light and love and just good energy, or a certain kind of energy. I know a lot of you watch these vlogs because it's a safe space, and I'm so grateful for the people that give a shit about what I have to say because just as much as you are listening to me, I also listen to you guys, and I'm figuring out ways to accommodate you all and myself. And if anything that I say doesn't resonate, please unsubscribe or unfollow me, because my goal is to help lead you back to you, to help redirect people back to themselves. Figure out what works for you. And I just want people to find their peace and some solace. And I'm just trying to revisit my softness. You know, I don't want to be a content creator. I just want to be human and be real. And I'm over here paying attention to everything, dissecting myself, and just lots of decluttering.
I can't wait to see you today. I just love it when you call me Kay. It don't matter what we're doing. Nowhere I'd rather be, so time just races by. You're my high, there is never enough time. So effortless, don't got to try. Oh, you are homie and you're all mine. Yeah. Hey, relax, laid back, yeah. Right where we need to be, right on track. Ain't a thing you like, baby. Your loving keeps giving, it's endless, transcendent, all that. Whiskey, how I like my coffee, yeah. I love how you trace the curves of my body. Sunday morning layable to me.
And a purpose, and I feel like I have all those things, but I also don't want to be like fake positive. Yeah. It's just like a really, you know, some days you just have really hard mornings. So you're like trying to channel like that bitch energy.
So it is currently 4:30. I'm editing a video. Say hi, Doja. Say hi, princess. She's such a princess baby. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna finish editing. I have laundry to do. I just took the kids to lunch. We went to this place. If you're in Tucson, there's this spot called American Eat Co. And it's basically like a food court. They have a bar, they have ice cream, they have pizza, they have like just different genres of food. My favorite place to eat there is Monster, and I go there all the time with my friend, but I took the kiddos and they loved it too. I was supposed to go to the gym this morning and I missed it. I didn't make it. I've been slacking off when it comes to the gym this past week or two. I was thinking about getting a workout in here at home. I have some kettlebells, and I think I'll jump on the treadmill and get some cardio in. I just have this urge to like move my body, so I'm gonna do that. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this vlog up. I am going to be doing a house tour next, and also I'm gonna show you guys my glasses collection because I get a lot of questions on my eyeglasses. So yeah, I hope you guys have a lovely weekend or week whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in the next vlog.